So I'm gonna be making a Christmas flower arrangement with these poinsettias, these evergreens, this, possibly this, but I'm not sure. I was gonna do this, but that doesn't fit, so I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna use glue sticks and glue gun. So first I'm gonna go ahead and cut this in half because these come really thick. I don't think I wanna do that. I'm going to do this. This would be nicer. Might go here. By the way, I bought this at Rayleigh's. I was just eating some fruit over here. I bought this at Rayleigh's. I think it was like $12. Super nice. It's got a cool design in the bottom. And that would be for my floral arrangement. That is gonna go there. You measure right there. That's where I'm going to go ahead and cut. Okay, here we go. So I was thinking of doing like 3 stripes, which will be 1, and then up here 2, maybe 3. I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut right now 3 of these. So that's 1, and then this one is going to be the 3rd one. Okay, so that's 2. So I need 1 more. So see how thick that comes? I need to cut a little bit more of a, this was, by the way, this was like 1 yard. You can get this at any craft store where they sell ribbon. But I didn't go to Michael's. I usually go to like a little store where they sell Chinese imports. Ooh, I have to cut it a little bit more. Maybe 1, 2. And then let me measure that again. It's like measuring is half the task, guys. Yep. Right here, so we cut this. And I think this would be my last thing I'm gonna cut. And I can save this for something else. I have plenty left over. By the way, this is not metal. It looks like metal, but this is plastic. Isn't it cute? It's very shiny. What I don't know is if the glue is going to be enough, or I've never really tried putting hot glue on glass, so we'll have to wait and see how I could figure that out. Okay, so I'm just kind of waiting for this to get a little bit, for the tip to get hot. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the glue in there. Oh, I think there's a bit in there. So this is gonna go around. Isn't this a beautiful floor, a beautiful vase? Can it go, I don't know if I should do this from the bottom or just go slightly higher. And look at the way they fit. It's like they overlap each other. I think it looks weird. If I fold this, it's gonna be too short. Like if I cut that, there will be an opening, you see? So I'm gonna have to do this. Okay. So let's see if this is ready. Press that. Taking a while there to get hot. Yep, there it is. It's coming out a little bit. There's one. 2 circles. Okay, I have this. Okay, let's try this. Looks like that does work. Okay. And then we're going to put some glue on these ones. They're gonna slightly overlap each other. It's gonna be okay though. Let's see. 1, 2, 3 little dots. Oopsie. I don't want this glue gun falling everywhere. Okay, come on. Actually, it's kind of strange how that worked. That one's not really overlapping anymore. But it worked. Okay. That worked pretty good. Yay. Okay, so I don't know what you guys think, if I should put this here like stripes. Maybe it would be like that. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna move my phone a little bit. See? Or maybe one. And then the other one would go up on top. So it would be 3 rows. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Where's the one, the overlapping one? There we go. All right, we're gonna do that. We're gonna do 3 rows. I think that would look very cute. Oh, this is really hot now. So you hot glue that. And yes, there we go. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. There. Can you see that? Okay. So let's try to hot glue the other side. I think I need to put a stick on here. Hold on. Hopefully this won't be falling everywhere. Oopsie. Sorry about that. Let's try this. There. So we are going to put, oh, that fell, but I still got glue left here, so it's okay. Okay. It's like I'm buttoning buttons. That was cool. Except the stick fell. It really needs to be used up. I'm gonna put a little more in here because this was a little defiant falling down. There we go. Okay. So we are going to do this. There we go. Okay, so there we are. So what I was asking is if I should do leave it like that or put a third one right here, right there, or not, or like this, because I think that looks really cute. I was thinking of putting this ornament inside it so it can look cute, but I'm not sure about that. Let's try this. We're gonna try the third one. Here we go. Here we go. Where was it even? Was that about the halfway point? Yeah, I think so. Okay. Get this glue gun up and at 'em. So go ahead and do the same thing you did on the previous previously. We do this. There we go. It's amazing how fast this hot glue adheres to glass. I think it's awesome. Okay, here we go. Well, it ended up a little bit higher than I wanted it, but I think it's okay. Let's do these now. What's wrong with this glue gun, guys? I have to keep pushing it, I guess. Wait, I don't want to burn my finger, guys. No. Because have you got burned by the glue gun before? Ooh, ouch, it hurts. Okay, look. It looks so cute. There you go. You see? All right, so next, I had bought these at that same supply store where I bought these poinsettias. I bought them where I bought this. It's like a Chinese import. And I'm also gonna place this in there. These I bought after Christmas last year. Best time to shop for Christmas stuff after Christmas at Michael's. And I bought 6 of these. First thinking that I was gonna put it in my Christmas tree, but I changed my mind about that. So then I already opened up the poinsettias. Here they are. And all you do is just put them in there. I think they look really cute. So after this, you just start placing these beautiful, they look like pine tree branches. You just place them anywhere in the floral arrangement. They're really cute because they have these little pine cones. Wait, hold on. This little pine cone is like dangling off. I'm just gonna pull it right off. There. Okay, so it looks like snow, like twinkly. It looks like snow with a little bit of glitter. So then, yeah, you just put it in the flower vase wherever you think it might look cute, or there's a bald spot somewhere. Here, you do this. I've got 2 more. I got this one and this one. Don't mind my kitchen, guys. I'm always cooking or doing something in my kitchen. There we go. Do that. Oh my god, they look so cute. Oh my gosh, what do you guys think so far? So I got 1 more, and I'm gonna stand up because I don't know where to put it. So it's looking like this. Let's see, there's there, maybe here. I was thinking maybe in the middle so it doesn't look lonely in there, maybe. Oh, I think this one just fell. Okay, I think I'm done. Let's see. Yeah. Look, that's where I was holding this. That's why it kept falling off. yeah, I think that's it. There you go. A nice creative project you can do for Christmas, and it's not hard to do at all. You could probably go to Michael's and still be able to get some plastic poinsettias. You can make all kinds of colors. You could even use ribbon here instead of this glittery thing. But yeah, I hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.